on.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, south central Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, southern Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, southwestern York County in south central Pennsylvania, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., local law enforcement officials reported a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from East Berlin to Mercersburg, moving south at 25 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Heidelersburg and East Berlin, Thomasville and Montalto, Spring Grove and Seven Stars, Bonneville and Waynesboro, McSherrystown, and Carroll Valley, Germantown and Pennville. This will impact Interstate 81 between mile markers 1 and 23. This will also impact the following major roads: Route 11, Route 15, Route 30, State Road 94, State Road 97. This line of severe thunderstorms has a history of producing wind damage. Do not stay outdoors. Wind damage with this line of severe thunderstorms may occur well ahead of any rain. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. This is a statement to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: Adams, Cumberland, Franklin, and York. Severe thunderstorm